Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron, and in this video I will guide you through how to use the Good Character Traits list. A Good Character Traits list is a comprehensive and valuable resource meticulously designed to provide with a clear framework for cultivating and embodying positive qualities and attributes. This list is a repository of virtues that individuals can consciously nurture to enhance their personal growth, interpersonal relationships, and overall character development. Within this well-structured resource, individuals encounter diverse traits encompassing human values. These traits range from fundamental pillars like honesty, empathy, kindness, resilience, and integrity to more nuanced attributes such as courage, patience, humility, and open-mindedness. Each trait is thoughtfully presented with a concise yet meaningful description, allowing individuals to grasp its essence and significance deeply. To use our free Good Character Traits list, follow these steps. Download our Good Character Traits list from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Browse the comprehensive list of positive character traits like empathy, honesty, resilience, and more. Each trait is accompanied by a brief description highlighting its significance. Reflect on your characteristics and behavior. Identify traits that resonate with you and note areas where you can enhance your qualities. Choose a handful of character traits you aim to work on or embody consistently. Consider those that align with your personal goals and areas of improvement. For each selected trait, outline your intentions for improvement. Define actionable steps and scenarios where you can actively practice and showcase these traits. Keep track of your progress over time. Regularly assess how you integrate these character traits into your daily interactions. Apply the traits in various contexts, personal relationships, work, and other social interactions. Practice being empathetic, patient, and honest in real-life situations. Here is a sample of our Good Character Traits list, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our Good Character Traits list, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet.
Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.